Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can upload files in Google Drive and how you can download that files into your laptop. So first of all you can go here and type Google Drive, then scroll down and you can open this one drive.google.com, and now here you can see I have few files. So if you want to upload a new file, then you can go here and you will get multiple options. For example, if you want to upload folder, then you can select this one. You can also create a new folder here, as well as you can upload the file from your laptop. So let me select one of the file, this one, and now here you can see file is uploaded. So let me reload this page and scroll down. Here you can see this one, and if you want to download file, how you can do that? On the top here you can see download button. Just you can go here and you can easily download this file into your laptop. And how you can get the shareable link? Here you can see share tab, then you can copy the link, and after that you can share this link to anyone. In this way you can easily upload and download files in Google Drive.